This is the same Congresswoman Luistro who admitted that she hid her husband who was accused of rape.
Talaga bang tinago niyo yung asawa niyo?
Yes. Tinago ko po ang asawa ko. It is because I needed to step back.
Anong klase abogada ka? Accused of rape ang asawa mo, hindi mo pinasurrender? Ba dapat sa'yo ma-disbar Congresswoman Luistro? He was accused of rape, dapat nag-surrender siya. Eto, rape ha? Non-bailable. Sabi niya, sa akin yun ang tama eh. Anong klase abogada ka?
Baka kasuhan kayo ni Congresswoman Luistro of slander right now or lie?
Make my day. Grabe yan si Luistro. May AX times dahil sa speaker.
Kaya may AX dahil ni speaker. Kaya may akak dahil ni speaker. Kaya may tupad dahil ni speaker. Kaya may mga barangay road dahil ni speaker.
May ganito bilyon dahil sa speaker. Kulang lang sabihin, may ulan, may lindol, may baha dahil sa speaker.
Then we see the impeachment complaint and the congressmen have said there is no proof that the president is an addict in any way.
They said that it's insufficient in substance. It's sufficient in form, but not sufficient in substance, and therefore they will not send it to the plenary. But that's wrong, because they should send it to the plenary. That's in the rules. Let the plenary decide if it's insufficient in substance. But of course, BBM is majority there. Sandro is the majority leader. Wala naman talaga siyang hiya. Bakit siya nagma-majority leader pa? Dapat kung magaling siya talaga, dapat nag-resign siya as majority leader para maniwala tayo. Yan lang naman payo ko sa kanya eh.
Ano ang masasabi ninyo doon sa House Committee on Justice? How they handled?
Si Luistro pa ang chair. Isa pa yan. Dapat mag-resign yan eh. Grabe yan si Luistro. Grabe yan, pro-Martin, pro-BBM. May AX, TAX dahil sa speaker. May ganito bilyon dahil sa speaker. Kulang lang sabihin, may ulan, may lindol, may baha dahil sa speaker eh. This is the same Congresswoman Luistro who admitted that she hid her husband who was accused of rape. He was accused of rape. Dapat nag-surrender siya. Tingnan mo si Revilla. Di ba nag-surrender siya? Eto, rape ha? Non-bailable. Sabi niya, sa akin yun ang tama eh. Anong klase abogada ka? Abogada ka? Dati ka pa daw piskal? Accused of rape ang asawa mo, hindi mo pinasurrender? Ba dapat sa'yo ma-disbar Congresswoman Luistro?
Lumalabas lagi yung fabricated cases of rape ng asawa ko. With the branding that tinago ko ang asawa ko,
Yes.
I evaded the law.
That's what's going around. That here you are holding people to account, and yet you told your husband to hide and not face these charges when they were filed against him. Talaga bang tinago niyo yung asawa niyo?
Yes. Tinago ko po ang asawa ko. It is because I needed to step back.
Pero ma'am, baka kasuhan kayo ni Congresswoman Luistro of slander right now or libel, destroying her reputation.
Congresswoman Luistro! Make my day.
Balikan natin ngayon ang impeachment complaint.
Dami lang naman yun. That's a dummy complaint. Sinasabi nga ni Congressman Erice, that lawyer is the lawyer of Lisa Marcos against Glenn Chong. Paano kami maniniwala dyan? They just did that para mabar yung any other complaint. Nag-file pa rin ng Makabayan. Yan naman ang gusto ko sa Makabayan, consistent. BBM resign, Sara resign. Etong si Risa Ontiveros ng Akbayan eh. Dati, never again. Ngayon, why not? Manirinig mo ba siya? Nagsasabi ng BBM resign. Kabayan is consistent. Diyan ang mga kasama ko noon sa UP eh. Mga kabatch ko yan si Lisa Wasa. Consistent yan. Di ba? Akbayan gusto nila Sara i-impeach, saka na lang daw labanan si BBM. What kind of thinking is that? Anong klaseng strategy yan? I think ang gusto talaga nila mayari is BBM gang will support her either as vice president, di ba? Pero dreaming na yan na tatakbo sa president dahil hindi tatakbo ang BBM gang. Mas guwapo naman si John Vic Remulla kaysa kay Lamas. Tatakbo yun. Sabi mo, ma'am, bardagulan. Bakit? Bakit kayo magagalit sa akin? I'm a private citizen. Sue me.
what can the president do in the last 2 years of his administration that would really make a difference? Kasi naging whistleblower siya naglabas nung yung mga flood control.
Hindi totoo yan, ma'am. Because I think, eto na naman, prediction ko to, kaya makinig kayo lagi sa akin. Tunay akong analyst. Sa first 3 years nila, ang plano nila is kaukaw ng kaukaw. Nakaw todo-todo. And they use the budget. That's why, yung yan mortal sin nila to our democracy is that they used Congress to loot our taxes. Mortal sin yan. At ngayon, hindi nakukulong. Walang nakukulong. Si Revilla nakulong. Ano ba yan? Palit ulo? Hindi. 2 years to go. Dapat ipakulong ni BBM si Romualdez para tumahimik ako. At tumahimik yung mga tao who are supporting me. Bakit si Saldico ang binabanatan nyo? Sinasabi na ni Saldico na ang mastermind si Martin Romualdez na nag-atid siya ng pera doon at kay Bongbong. Pinalayas nila. Kasi, ayaw nilang magtestigo. Ngayon, gusto na magtestigo, ayaw naman nilang pabalikin. Kunyari lang yun. Bakit si Senate Torpeng Lacson sa Blue Ribbon in-invite si mag-testify by Zoom, si Saldico? Nung lumabas na sa ibang network yung part 1, part 2, part 3 ni Saldico, ayaw nang ipatestify doon by Zoom. Ano ba talaga, Senator, ang rules dyan sa Blue Ribbon Committee? Dapat what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Di ba? Ganun lagi mga Inglesero. Bakit naman ganun? Dapat pinatestify nyo na. Kasi kung pinatestify nyo yun, di part of the records na yun ng Senado, ang sasabihin niya na naghatid siya ng pera sa kay Romualdez at sa bahay ni Bongbong at sa Malacanang. Ang sinasabi mo, whistleblower si Bongbong, that's not true. He admitted there was a U.S. State Department report saying that the corruption in the DPWH is massive. That's why he did that. At saka, yun na nga ang analysis ko na 3 years come, and then on the 4th year, look like a hero. Hero ba siya?
Naniniwala ba kayo na posibleng makasuhan at makulong si Martin Romualdez?
Pwede. Kasi bakit nila pinakasuhan si Revilla at pakulong nila? Bakit hindi? Diba, ICI also, yun lang ang problema kasi sabi nila i-livestream nila, hindi nila livestream. Kawawa yung ICI, sinabi ko na when I was in Europe, mag-resign na kayo, mga inutil kayo. Naiwan na lang ngayon si former Justice Andy Reyes. I mean, di naman siya makaresign, di ba? Di ba? Technically, that is already inutil.